Hi everyone, I am in nature today and I wanted to do a quick grateful tapping. We're not even going to use the side of the hand, we're just going to start on the top of the head. Just repeat after me. I am grateful I woke up today. I am grateful to be alive. I am grateful for my loved ones. I am grateful for boundaries. I am grateful for all the opportunities coming my way. I am grateful for my body. I am grateful for the light that is inside of me. I am grateful for all the magic in the world. I am grateful for the universe. Much love.